bot. Correct. If you want to know how to create bot, I will attach a link. You can go to that entire playlist and check how to create enhanced bot and enhanced messaging session, as I've explained it in the initial or the beginning of the video. So what you will do is go to overview. Correct. Go to overview, click on knowledge, deactivate your bot. Go to overview, click on knowledge, edit button, use feature that intelligently, check this box, select. I can show it to you, just a minute, give it to me. I will deactivate it. You will click here, right? You will get this undo button and tick button. Then you can choose your knowledge article, you can choose the data library which you created and leave this as it is, because I don't have URL. As you saw that while creating data library, I didn't select the URL field, so I don't want to provide the source, or I don't want to show the source. Correct. Now you will just click it and activate the bot, right? So once the bot is activated, right now this is just a step, right? Still you will go to your dialogues, you will see there is a new dialogue created, and you will see a new dialog box there, right? This is the answer question with knowledge, but it is yet not completed, because what it is doing, it will still be referring to your simple or the previous article answer. So there in the message you will see some you will see that there is a value, but what it will do is, if you try to use it right now, it will directly print it. So now we will set up and we will use this data library which we have created. How to create it? The second step. Now we'll go to, now this is the one step ahead of this. This is the step where we have generated data library and assigned it to our bot. Now how to use it inside the bot? So we'll go to prompt builder. Inside the prompt builder, you can see I have already created it. I'll show you the step. Go to new prompt template, select flex, name it anything like test. I'll name it as add input. Let's add as query. This query is going to be the or you can name it as like user question. Correct. Or remove it, because you are going to, that this query is what you are going to, like what you are going to ask to the knowledge article, or how it is going to search for it, right? And require template run next, right? This is the prompt. Here before going into prompt, you can make some changes here, model, or I usually select the recent models, and leave the format default only, because if I don't want to include HTML or JSON in it. Correct. And now overview and resources, you can see, okay, user question, apex flow. Correct. And now I have a prompt for it, like I already have a prompt for it. Correct. So let me see if I have it open so I can show it to you. Okay, I will show it to you, just a minute. I'll go to prompt builder here. Go to prompt builder, and inside prompt builder you can see I have already, I have created, because I have this generative knowledge answer flex. I'll open it. So what does the instructions or the prompt means? Here you have to provide the instruction, what do you want to do, right? Correct. So these are the set of instructions which I have provided. Then you will use knowledge. Why this knowledge? Because from where it will provide you the response, like all the instructions that you have given it, how will it know from where to fetch it, right? So how will you give this, how to insert it, how to use this, right? How to use this knowledge article which you have created right now, or data agent library. Go to insert resource, click on retrievers, configure retrievers, right? You will select the retriever KA Agentforce Generative which we created, right? Then we will scroll down, search input. What will be the search input? User question. How are you going to search it? Apply and insert. Correct. Then the next step you will see question. How is the question going to, how you are going to bring the question, correct? How you are going, from where the question is going to come, then this instruction will follow, then knowledge will. So what is that question? So how to insert this, right? You will you can again go to insert resource. You will see this input question, correct? Once this is done, correct, I will just close this. Once it is done, activate it, and sorry, not activate it, save it, give it a name. And if you want to test it out, you can go to preview. Let's say not able to login. Correct. Click on preview. And give it some time, because it is an AI model. It takes some time, right? You see, this is the resolve prompt, what it has resolved, and this is the generated response. If you have attempted to log in 3 or more times, correct, it is from my knowledge article, right? I have created knowledge articles and it is fetching me. So what it is doing is generated response. It earlier, if you remember using article answers, what it gives the knowledge article as it is, and it asks you to read it or go through it correct? It will based on your subject or title, right? Based on the subject, it will fetch the most related article or knowledge article and then provide you 2 or 3 knowledge articles from your knowledge base. But this generated is, it will go back to the data stream, it will which you have created, correct? The knowledge data library which you have created. It is not responding, it is this AI, this is not bringing you answers from the AI, it is bringing the value or answers from your data library only, correct? So it will go to your data library, it will do the same thing, it will search for the related knowledge article, and from those related article it will fetch the related keywords, correct? Keywords, the KPIs, and then form an answer around it, right? You can always test it, and once the testing is done, you can save it and activate it. Now remember, to activate it, that is the most important step. Now how to use it? You cannot directly use this step, right? To use it, you'll have to go to flows, correct? You will have to create a new flow. How to do that? I'll show it to you. Go to new flow and create an auto launched flow. Inside auto launch flow, you will see auto launch no trigger flow. Go to no trigger flow, click here, click on action, the action which you just created, right? So generative knowledge, okay. You see, this is the one which I created, generative knowledge answers. Click here, name it anything, right? I can name it right now, test query. Again, what is this query? I've already informed you. This query is how it is going to take the user's request or user question. Create a new variable, let's say variable user question, correct? Go to data type as text, allow for input because it will take input. Similarly, scroll a little bit below, go to manually assign variable, prompt response. How do you want to store the response? Create a new variable, click on variable generated response, sorry. Now click on data type text, allow it for output, done, right? This step is done. Just save it, give the name, anything, any name you want to give, right? I will open my existing flow which I have it here. You see the same thing I have done, right? I have called the action and I have assigned the responses. Now once this flow is done, this flow is active, your prompt template is active, your flow prompt template is developed. If you want me to provide you this instruction, the set of instruction which I am using for proper answer, you can always reach out to me in the comments and I will provide you, and I will even provide you how to create good provide the steps to how to create a good instructions, right? So now if you want to know how to do or what to do after this step, go back to your bot, right? Go back to your bot, go to the answer knowledge with question. Here I will deactivate it for you all, and you can choose an action here, right? If you'll hover your mouse over here, you'll see this plus button. Go to flows, call that flow, right? I have this answer flow name, right? Search with the flow name, answer question with generative. Now here input inside variable name. Don't worry, you don't have to create a new variable name because the bot, it stores the last customer input text, correct? But for the output here, right, you will need a generated answer. How do you want to show it? So you see, I have created a knowledge answer. All you can do is go to here, custom, give it a name, leave it, it will create it, right? So I will cancel it for now, right? I don't want to have it again. Once this is done, go to your message box which was by defaultly created. Do not go to edit button and just type this curly braces and exclamatory mark knowledge answer. This knowledge answer is the your variable which you have created, right? Output variable, and just save it, activate it, correct? Once you have done this, all the steps, right, all the steps, this is the like creation of knowledge article, generated knowledge article, sorry, this is the creation of generated knowledge articles. Now you want to test it. If you want to test it, you should have an Einstein enhanced messaging session. And if you are making, like, if you are thinking how to test it, no issues, you can always create, you can always check my videos, and there is a way to create enhanced messaging session, messaging channel, and an embedded service deployment. So once you have all that and configured, right, have the flow configured and everything, you can go to test enhanced web chat, click here, and you can see it will load. It will load the VF page on which you are, or the hosting that this embedded message is getting hosted, your chatbot is hosted, right? This is an enhanced messaging pop-up session, and inside this pop-up, if I'll click on it and make sure that your bot is active, right, you will see this. and it will take some time. It will, you see here, generative knowledge. I already have a bot, as I've said. If you want to know more on it, you can go back to my sessions. I will attach the link. Now I want to check if it is working or not. I am facing login issue. I am facing login issues, right? And don't worry, you don't, it is not like you don't have to provide exact the keywords, because we are not using, as you would have guessed. I will go back here, I will go back to my bot. There is you'll see no there is no dialogue intent, so don't be worried about it. This is a AI part here. It will understand the mm, your natural language. So even if you make a little bit of error, there is no issue with it. The AI will understand and give you the answers. So see, I am facing login issue. Uh, let's say error with my device, correct? Error with my device. So it understands the natural language processing, right? It has a natural language processing NLP, that is called, what is, you see, it will give you this, right? So this is a use case of how to transition from an article answers to generative knowledge article answers, right? And I hope you find it very hopeful, and it is a complete setup from starting to beginning how to do it, and I hope you like it. Thank you.